Hello guys, welcome back on our technology battlefield. Let's learn and watch with practical in this tutorial how to roll backs or downgrade iOS from 18.1.6 beta to 17 iOS without losing any data, without doing a jailbreaks at your home, without any hassle guys. Is it possible? Firstly, we will check it out manually, then of course we will do it with the help of the computer if it is possible. So tap on the setting guys. In setting, just come in general and of course connect to your internet connection, either it is Wi-Fi or itself on the phone's APIs. Go for software update and we will see here, yes, it's saying that 18.1 is up to date, so this iOS is up to date. We don't have any opportunity to download this iOS. How can I go for? Yes, with the help of computer this can be possible. So just you will have to go for energy administrations, and that is a 3U tool. Connect your data cable. See guys here, just we will connect a data cable, and of course now it has been connected. Click on the smart flash, go for refresh options, and the last one of course that is 17.7 hours. Currently it is working 18.16 beta, but of course we can switch down. There's a 17.15 beta, 17.14 beta, 17.0.1 iOS also. Or of course if we want, then of course we can downward rollbacks without any losing data. That is 17.7. So we will select these ones. Now here we will have to select the retain user data, whatever the data is inside on this device. Of course that would be a retain, so that's why of course we will have this one and click on here a smart flash. So before clicking, just we will try to download. So now see how easily it will be downloaded. So now see it's downloading, and after downloading of course within it's asking a time, but right now speed is not quite good, so that's why having this problem. But of course within a half an hour it would be downloaded, and after downloading we will have to do nothing guys. Here simply just we will have to select this one, go for retain user data, we will click on the flash option, so it will start to especially downgrade this iOS from 18.16 beta to directly we can switch down 17.7 guys. So this is all about in this video tutorial. Furthermore any inquiry of course I have the query below the comment box, and the pleasure would be mine to reply to the query guys. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.